Hello guys and welcome to today's video. I hate starting a video with like no makeup on, but anyway, I feel like I haven't done a long video in a while and I really want to start doing long videos again. I know shorts are the thing, but I miss long videos and I thought, alright, well maybe I'll change it up a little and just not so much change it up, but we're going to review this today. This is a product that I used 4 years ago maybe that I loved. It was like literally one of my favorite products for my curls. This is Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. I loved this stuff and I repurchased it back in the day too a couple times to make sure I always had something good on hand, and I haven't tried it in a while, so when I went to CVS I bought this and I'm like, oh my god, I should review it in a way, right? So I'm gonna review it. I did try it though the other day and I felt like it didn't look as great as it used to, so we're gonna play around, see. You know, I gotta be honest with you, I probably also don't do as many long videos because I'm not loving. I want my hair back. I want my hair to grow back. My own fault. I want to try it short and do like a puffy look, and I'm over it. That's all. I'm just over it, and it's not growing back as fast as it usually does, but it's getting there. My grays are in, but I say that on every video. There's a reason why I'm holding off on the grays, so we're gonna ignore that. And I thought, while I'm doing this review, why not get ready with me too while I do my makeup, and then we'll do the review. However, if you're here just for the hair review, which I totally get, because I talk a lot. That's why I don't talk in my shorts, because like you get enough of my blabbering in my full videos. I'm gonna post below, right here maybe, should I put it here, the time that you should go to in this video if you're just here for the curly hair product video. But right now I'm gonna do my makeup, because why not? Guys, I gotta change because I'm sweating. I gotta get this robe off. Like the weather is coming, so hold on. Okay, so much better. Okay, because I just did a short with this, I think I'm gonna try my Revlon Color Stay. I got a bunch of, let's start with this Revlon Grip Matte Primer. Again, this is more about a hair video, but why not give you more hair and makeup? Okay, I am not a primer person usually. There are some primers that I'm like, wow, but, okay. Like the whole thing, it's supposed to keep your, it does feel nice though. That does feel nice. And it's supposed to grip the makeup so it stays on your face. If I'm being completely honest, I never see a difference with or without primer. With or without primer. I just don't. Revlon Color Stay Long Wear Makeup. This is for normal to dry skin. I normally do this with my fingers, but I'm gonna go in with a brush today because I am too lazy to get up and wet my sponge. You know what I used to do? I'm gonna do it the way I used to do it. Literally, I don't know when I stopped doing this, but I always used to put it on my hand first and then take my brush like that, and I'm gonna go back to doing that. My desk is a mess here. My makeup is a mess, and I'm irritated with myself for letting it get like this because I have no room. I was actually surprised, pleasantly surprised with this foundation because it really is a beautiful coverage. Not surprised because even though it's drugstore, these are great name brands. I find some drugstore makeup is even better than high-end. It all depends what you want, right? This has a nice coverage, up to 24-hour wear, which I never understand. Who's out for 24 hours? That's crazy. I always have to wash my face before I go to bed. Like, is this saying you could get up and still have good makeup on? Like, that's not good for your skin. You gotta wash that crap off. Transfer resistant, which is huge. I should really test this after because you know what the problem is? You'd have to, is everything else you're putting on, your bronzer and everything, is that transfer resistant? Because if I wear a light color sweater or shirt, I feel like I can't wear white anymore because I do like to put a little powder or something on my neck, or if I go like that, my head, I get makeup on my clothes all the time if it's white. I mean, it's any color, it just shows on the white. It's just so frustrating. I could actually build that a little more, but I don't want to because I'm gonna use their concealer now. This is the Color Stay Skin Awaken Caffeine and Vitamin C 5-in-1 Concealer. Erase, Perfect, Brighten, Hydrate, Refresh. Is it coming out? Oh, I didn't even see it's all out. Guys, look at this mess I made. I squeezed too much just to show you guys. Now it's a mess. All right, I'll just do like little, oh, I hate to waste that, but I'm gonna have to because one thing I don't like is, I don't like mess when my makeup is all messy and yucky. The other day I went to squeeze some foundation and it went flying. Oh, so then I got also e.l.f. I got this e.l.f. contour palette. I'm not much of a contour person, but I bronze. I might bronze with contour. I don't know. To me, whatever. I just, like, I don't do like darker than lighter with all these, and I don't really use that to brighten either because I just did the concealer, so I don't want to put more makeup on my face. So I'm gonna use my NARS brush because I love this brush. I always use my NARS bronzer, and this is similar in meaning that it's cream. So I'm gonna go in and just bronze up a little. And I don't go as low as I used to. I used to go lower, and now I'm going higher. So I don't know if, I don't even think it's so much that I'm aging, but I just have like, see these like bumps here? Listen, this is reality, guys. I don't do Botox or anything, so I'm gonna have like imperfections, but you see that? And I feel like no matter what I do, I think it is old age. My skin is just losing. Terrible. But anyway, so when I do that, I don't want, you still see that, those bumps. So I go higher, which is what you should do anyway. I hate that. I like, but you know what? At the same time, I love it. I love imperfections too, because I don't want to look, I mean, of course I want to look perfect, but I don't want to look too perfect either. It's not natural. It's just not my desired goal, maybe. And if that is for you, then good for you. I don't, it's everybody to each his own. And if somebody wants to age naturally, then, oh my God, did you guys see, I call her Mallory Bateman. What's her name? Justine Bateman? She's all over saying aging naturally. And I mean, she looks her age, but good for her. I think she looks beautiful. That's what we why do we have to try and look different, right? Look at me, I'm doing the same thing. We all are like that. But I don't think we have to go extreme, because I think that we are, this is what a 50-year-old woman might look like. So I'm embracing that. I don't want to be young again. Been there, done that. No, thank you. That's really pretty. I see an e.l.f. blush, so let's just stick to drugstore. I never used to wear blush either. And I only do it up here because I don't like rosy cheeks. I'm putting makeup on to get rid of my rosy cheeks, so I just want to put it here for a little. It does give a nice natural look mixed in with the bronze, I have to say. My daughters love blush. I'm just going this quick because, guys, we have to still do my hair. So you know what? Let me just do this because this is really more the hair video. So, oh, the power of makeup. Isn't it unbelievable? I feel like a different person. I swear I feel like a different person. This is I used all drugstore. I used my Milani lip liner, all drugstore. And now I'm going to use my drugstore setting spray, which, let me wait a second because I feel like when I do this after, I usually like to spray before my mascara. If I spray after my mascara, I feel like sometimes it's not dry yet. By the way, I didn't put mascara on my bottom lashes because sometimes when I do that, it gets, I don't know, like messy looking. I think it's time to get into the hair product, but let me go put some earrings on. Okay, hair review time. For those of you who skipped forward, I know, I look like a different person, right? Like I said before, the power of makeup is unbelievable. We are gonna try out this Curls Blueberry Bliss. I loved this at one time in my life. I really did. It was like maybe 4 years ago. My hair was much longer, which hopefully will grow back again soon. But I want to keep it like shorter in the front, because then I look back to my long hair and I'm like, as I mentioned, we're going to ignore all the grays in my hair. There is a reason. I'm going away soon and I want to wait as long as I can. And I think you guys understand, because you know that if I go out, all I have to do is little Root Touch-Up Spray with my, is it L'Oreal? Oh, here. My L'Oreal Root Touch-Up Spray. Love that stuff. Okay, so I don't want to put as much in because I forget my hair is shorter, so I don't want to put that much in like I did the last time, because maybe that was my problem. Again, I used to love this stuff. Literally blueberry gel. And I have to do a side part because I did a middle part the other day thinking, oh, this will look good, and I was embarrassed to walk the streets. Just saying. It was horrible. So I'm going back to the side. I don't care if it's in or not. I'm just going to put a little more in each side. This is a big bottle too. It's bonus size, 40 ounce free. It is bigger than the one I used to have. And you can get it at the drugstore, which I love. My hair is growing, but I want my layers to grow. A lot of you guys say, what do you ask for when you get your hair cut? For years I've been saying long layers, and I think that works well with curls. You definitely want some layers so it's not just plain, boring, flat, heavy, lifeless, no volume. You need some sort of a layer. But this time I was like, let's just do it all the way. And then you could see the weirdness. This is even blonder. It's not even gray. It's gray, then it's too light, and then it's darker, because what I did is I keep screwing up with my roots, okay? I keep screwing up because I'm too lazy to remember, and you would think with what I do at YouTube I would know. But I always like try different ones. Sometimes they don't have it. I'm like, oh, what color did I get? That didn't work out. So I'm always trying different ones, and it usually doesn't work out so well. But what I did was I did a too dark of a root color touch-up once, and then after that I did too light of a root touch-up. Now my grays are coming in, so I really need to fix that root, and I will be soon. And I will be making a video on it. I don't know why I feel a little nervous, because I feel like the last time I used this, it didn't work as well as I remember it working. So let's hope today it does. I'm using my Life and Dryer. Okay, my hair is styled and done. What do you guys think? It does look good. I'm glad. And I feel like my hair style is kind of growing back a little. I don't know what just happened there, but I think it came out great. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel like as moisturizing as I would like, but it definitely doesn't feel too drying either. So it makes my hair look good, except for my roots, but that's not their fault. Yeah, I think my hair came out good. Okay, so let's do the usual. Let's see how long it lasts throughout the day. This week is supposed to be really nice. Finally, it's about time. So I want to take Wilma maybe like I don't have dog parks out here, which pisses me off. My girls in Hoboken have the best dog parks there, because they're the fake grass, so the dogs run around, they're big, they're gated in. We don't have that here. The only closest dog park I found, they're all like just muddy dirt, and it's not worth it. And then sometimes nobody's there. We need dog parks on Long Island, please. Just because I guess everybody's like, well, we have backyards. Oh, I don't. I have a deck. I don't have a yard. And they don't socialize. You have a yard, but you have your dog out there. I want her to make friends. So, yes. Enough jabbering. This video is long already. I'm just going to do a quick check-in because, again, I did the whole makeup thing with you guys. Yeah, I think you've had enough of me, but we will check in later. I think I'm getting a hot flash now, just so you know. The hot flashes are coming more and more. I'm getting used to them though, but woo! That's another discussion. Okay, let's go about our day. Loving the makeup, loving the hair product. I hate to bother her. Are you ready? Do you wanna go to a park? Walk around? Yeah? You gotta clean those up. Oh, you're tired? Not yet? Okay. Oh! I'm so sorry. Can I just tell you the weirdest thing? She's a Bichon, at least we think. Bichon Friche. For those experts, please let me know if that's what you think also, because that's what I think so. We adopted her when she was 2. And her body is like stiff like a I call them like the hot dogs. Whereas my daughter's dog, which is a Cavapoo, you can like grab him and his back is bendable and flexible and it's so cuddly. Like, I just can't cuddle with her. No offense, we cuddle, but we cuddle. You know what I mean, baby. She's looking at me like, really? No, I mean like her back just doesn't like flex. Look, it's focus on me. Okay, guys, let's go. I'll stop talking. Let's see how good this lasts. See you in a second. Okay, guys, I am getting ready for bed. Clearly, I have my pajamas on, and I am going to go watch some TV with Joe, doing a final check-in because this is it. It's not going to get, it is what it is. It's the end of the night, and look at that. It stayed in so nice, and I think my hair is finally starting to grow into my old style, which I'm happy about. It was at a point where I just didn't know. I think I was trying to do the bang thing, and when I tried to do the bang thing is when I don't think I was liking it. I think it's just, this is me, this is my style, who I am, it is what it is. But I like it. It came out good. So definitely one of my favorites, like over time. I want to start like revisiting some old ones that I used to love and see if I still love them. So that's it for this video. I am going to say goodnight. And I want to try and put out some more long videos like this, okay? I hope you guys want them. I'm just going to do them. I'm doing them anyway. So I have products that I want to review like I used to. And that's that. I'm going to still do shorts though, but I got to push more of these out. I've been bad with these. So doing that, going to bed, first watching TV, then going to bed. I will see you in the next video.